Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 random skincare products. Now I have done a video like this in the past where I did talk about 6 random products, and that video was quite helpful to you guys and you all appreciated that video really well, and you were like you should do these kind of videos more often. Now frankly speaking, I try to do dedicated reviews on most of the skincare products, but there are certain which are left out, and I feel sometimes some of those products are overrated, some of the products are underrated, and some of the products are not even known to people. So yes, today also I have 5 of the products which I feel some of them are overrated, some of them nobody talks about, and yes, I have a lot to say on many of them. Today I have only 5 to show you guys, and yes, you will be seeing these kind of videos in future. So if you really want to know which are these 5 interesting products, you should hang on, sit tight, because yes, I do have a lot to say. So let's get started. First up, I have a product by Dr. Seth, a brand which I feel is a little overhyped brand, and a brand which is not easy to understand. From my understanding, I do not understand this brand. Secondly, I do not understand their products. They're not easy to understand as a consumer. Now, the product which I have it in my hand is the Dr. Seth for Indian Skin Antioxidant Repair Cream, and it should be used in the night only after cleansing. And yes, it is going to give you moisturization, and then it has actives like vitamin E, and that's it. They don't have the whole ingredient list. They do not have a lot of things on the jar, but on the box they had written a lot of things. Now I don't have the box because I bought this product last year in 2019, and I did stop using this product in the month of March itself, and then again I started using this product because this product is heavy, it's thick, it just sits on the skin in a very different manner altogether. And this comes like this in a cream format. I have nothing left because I completely used it up. The only reason of me not loving this product because it doesn't do anything extraordinary for my skin as a night cream, since it is supposed to be used in the night. And secondly, it works I feel only in certain weathers. Like in winters I really like it because my skin is already very dry. So it is not made for combination to oily, it is only made for dry skin. And dry skin also would love it if you are extremely dry and you are like Sahara Desert dry skin, because this is super thick. The consistency feels thick, and when you apply on the skin you feel there is something on the skin. So this is one reason I do not enjoy the product a lot. It's just that I used this product last winters. I used this product just when winter started. I just finished up the product because of one reason, that winters mein the skin initially gets very dry and stretchy instantly. So this just gives that nice nourishment and hydration, but something not good to feel. So you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I do not feel pleasant putting it, and I do not get anything extraordinary out of this product, because if I'm putting a moisturizer on my skin, I do want to get something out of it. I do need a result with it, which I don't see with this. Talking about Dr. Seth is a brand also. I've tried like 3 products, and frankly speaking, it's the only eye cream which I liked a little bit, but not exactly I liked any of the product I tried, because they are complicated and not easy to understand. Because I do feel that if a product I'm not able to understand by reading itself, then khareedne ke baad I will not be able to understand it more. So this is what I feel with the brand, and it's not something negative, it's my personal experience, my personal thoughts I'm sharing with you. If you relate with me, do let me know, but this is something which I would not suggest anyone to buy because I don't feel it is something a must-have. So you can completely pass on this product. So I did not enjoy it. So if you still like it, continue using it. These are my personal thoughts. So a lot of people like Dr. Seth products, but a lot of people have a miss feeling, and I am in that category of miss. So yes, I did not enjoy this product, and I will not suggest you or recommend you this one. Moving on to a hair care product. Now I finished my Wow Skin Science onion oil, 2 bottles of it, and I was about to buy the 3rd one. The one I was about to buy, then I happened to think that let me just try something new. Why do I keep buying the same thing? Why do I keep buying the same thing is only reason that I absolutely love it. It's just that when I try new things, it is more better for me because I'm a content creator and I can get you more interesting content. So I did happen to grab this newish onion hair oil, hair fall rescue. You get 100 ml product and it will cost you $2.99. This comes into this kind of a bottle. It is a small size bottle. It is very similar to the Wow Skin Science one. Now I bought this oil because my onion oil was finished and I started using it. Only this much is left, I feel, only this much. And today also I will be using it. So did I enjoy the oil? I like the oil, but as it says hair fall rescue, no, it has not done anything for my hair fall. Instead, my hair fall, which had stopped when I was using my Wow Skin Science oil and shampoo and conditioner, since the time I started using this oil, again my hair fall has started. So my hair fall count is less, but it has started. So I think now it's high time I stop using this oil, but I will just finish because only this much is left. So I don't want to waste it. I want to use it and finish it off. Apart from the hair fall part, it doesn't dry out my hair. It gives me a smooth hair, nice manageable hair. All that I don't face any issue with. But if I am buying an oil for my hair fall rescue, then it should not be leading to more hair fall. That is something which is going wrong here. So buy wisely if you want to, but I would not be buying this oil because I did not like it for my hair, because who wants hair fall? So yes, definitely a pass. Moving on to another interesting product, a product which I really enjoy using is the Face Shop Smart Peeling White Jewel Pearl. Herein you get 120 ml of product, and the cost of this product I don't know because I got this product in that Ankita Coralista pouch. I showed you that pouch in my Diwali gift set. That set I gave it to someone, then I repurchased it because I wanted to try this thing and I absolutely love it. Since I'm a person who doesn't suffer from a lot of dead skin accumulation on my skin, I don't see dead skin layer on my skin because I do take a good care of my skin. So this is more of a gentle exfoliation of my skin. So I use it like once a week, not more than that. And the reason being I use it once a week because initially when I started using it, I used it today like, and after 2 days then again I used it, nothing came out. So I realized that I don't have too much happening on my skin, so why should I be wasting product? So once in a week is a good option for me. If you feel that you have excessive dead skin forming, then you can go in like twice a week. So this product works. It is a good product. It is going to give you a clear skin. The only one factor which I noticed after using this product was that since it is going to remove that dead skin, and when you will be washing your face, you may feel that your skin feel more stripped off. It's not because of the product, I would say. It is just that a lot of things were sitting on your face. It just cleared off, so you feel more cleaner. You can just go in with quick moisturizer, serum, toner, whatever you prefer putting after cleansing. But I absolutely like the formula on this one, and it's really easy to use. Just need 1 minute and you are done. So wonderful, well-made product, amazing. I will definitely be repurchasing after this is done. So we are done with 3 of the products. Let's move on to the 4th one. 4th one is the Dermafix Cell by Cell Normal Sensitive pH Perfect Facial Cleanser. Protects skin pH to boost the skin defense system against skin cell damage, dermatologically tested. ये product की cost है 209 rupees and you get 100 ml of product. Now basically what this product would do is that it is more of a soap-free facial cleanser which is designed to maintain the skin pH, which boosts the skin defense system against cell damage. Now when I bought this product, इतना तो clear था कि it is going to maintain the pH of my skin whenever I use it, and it is a very gentle cleanser. If you are a sensitive skin person, you will like it. If you are a person who goes out, work, come back and you need a clean skin, then I don't see this cleanser working that well, because this cleanser is not basically removing your dead skin or cleansing, giving you deep cleansing. but just to give you that nice cleansing. Like if you stay home, you will like it, but if you go out, you have a lot of pollution, dust, and a lot of things happening on your skin, then it is not going to get into your pores and get that gunk out. So this is a cleanser which is made only for people who stay home and who just wants to cleanse their face and maintain the pH balance. Nothing fancy here, but this is not something which is all purpose and something extraordinary. Yes, it is out of the box, but who buys cleanser to maintain the pH balance? But yes, this is more scientific, I feel. I wanted to try something from Dermafic. Personally, I like the product. I like it for my skin because I feel sometimes I like using this cleanser. Just I feel maybe my skin ka pH level is not good. Let me just put this cleanser and just balance it out. That is what is in my head. That's the basic thing which comes to my head when I'm using this cleanser, nothing else. I don't expect skin reviving or skin perfection out of this cleanser or hydration from this cleanser for that matter. It's only balancing the pH level of my skin. So if you are into that kind of a concept, like a lot of pH is happening nowadays, so this is the cleanser made for you. Will I repurchase it? No. Will I be trying more Dermafic products? Yes, because they sound pretty interesting and it is easy to understand. As I said, Dr. Seth, I don't understand. This one I understand. So yes, I will try some more products from them. This is not a past product. This is somewhere in between. So it is like you want to buy, you try it, you love it, continue using it, but not something I would be investing my money on again because I have a lot of cleansers. So yes, it is a good product. Last but not the least, I have a product which I feel it's overly hyped product and I don't know, nobody talks about it. Tell me about it. This is the McCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Foot Scrub for all skin types. This is how the jar comes. I will open it because I would like you to see how it is. This is how the powder would come, the scrub. You have to wet it with normal, basically you just have to take it in your hands, start scrubbing on your feet with some water. Now, I bought this product because my feet, as I've always mentioned, they're not even closer to animal feet now. They are bad in that. And when winter comes, they are extremely bad. Okay, मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ अपने feet के लिए, after a month they will come back to square where they were. Because Delhi mein, the mud, the dust, the pollution is so much that my feet doesn't like it. I do whatever, it will just be back to square one, animal feet. So I bought this one because I read such amazing reviews about this product and frankly speaking, it did not do anything for my feet. And this costed me 395 rupees. Money is not the issue here. Issue is the product. It doesn't work. It is made for people who doesn't have any problem with their feet. You can use it, but people like me who have a lot going on their feet, even one pedicure cannot sort me. So this scrub cannot do anything for me. So this didn't do anything for me, okay? And it is one overly hyped product. I'm just irritated because it didn't do anything for me. And I'm a person who tries a lot of foot care products. Like I recently bought, what did I buy? The Innisfree foot sheet mask. And it was just like a normal face sheet mask which will give you softer feet, and it did that. But this didn't do anything. I used it a multiple times to see some changes, but it didn't do anything for my feet. So yes, this is something which is not made for me and not made for my kind of feet. If you have nothing going on your feet and you just want to scrub it, ऐसे ही, then you can buy it. But I feel there are a lot many scrubs and there are a lot many body scrubs which you can use it on your feet. Why do you have to buy a separate product like this, which is not exactly going to do something extraordinary for your feet? And if it is working for you, you are a lucky person, continue using it. But it did not work for me, so it is a complete pass from my side, and I would not suggest anyone or recommend this product to anyone for their foot care. Out of 5, I loved one, liked one, and other 3, you know what do I feel about them. Now don't take things personally here, but I shared my personal experience with all the products I have been using. Frankly speaking, sometimes we just buy a product because it's overly hyped, or just because 10 random people said, oh, it is wonderful, oh, it is something which you should be trying once. But frankly speaking, it happens with many, and you also, that skincare, hair care can work a little differently with each other. And the products I showed you today may work wonderful for you, but may not work for others, and it didn't work for me. So think wisely, read properly, and if you still feel that you have to go in for that product, might as well get it, use it, try it, experience it, and know it for yourself. Because skincare, hair care, body care can be subjective. It's not like makeup. So I hope this video helped you in some way. I will leave down everything in my description if you want to get something for yourself. I will be here soon with some more skincare and some more interesting videos. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.